Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss another warning letter, FD warning letter about the Canadian Drugmaker and HPLC about HPLC and data integrity issue. Data integrity means data accuracy and consistency overall its life cycle. So the warning letter is issued to the Cosmaceutical Research Limited in Canadian company, and it's issued 29 May 2022 20, and FDA inspected these pharmaceuticals, cosmeceuticals, sorry, November 2018 to November 19, 18 to 22, and FDA found significant violation current good manufacturing practice CGMP, including data integrity issues related to HPLC analysis. So the first observation is about the X-ray injection, which is strictly prohibited without proper justifications. So the FDA give warning letter about the X-ray injections. Here they mentioned the company performed expels injection without clearly identified purpose and using ambiguous nomenclatures. In addition, FDA inspector found torn documents in the trash related to quality and the productions. So they also found the torn documents, which is also a major uh, violations. The procedure is obviously not in accordance with the GMP. Unofficial sample rejections are not acceptable. So this is another is lack of stability indicating methods. So another point mentioned in the warning letter is the Cosmeceuticals Limited has the stability indicating method about in their finished product drug products. So we all know that the stability indicating methods means that the distinguish between the active and the impurities. The method is able to distinguish between the impurities and the active ingredients. So the company's lack of force degradation studies. So the company has the lacks in stress conditions sample studies or force degradation studies. Independent assessment of the kappa plan to ensure the adequate of the stability program, so they don't take any kappa. So another common inadequate OOS investigations. It's commonly given, although co-workers recognize that the original sample had been. This is for a specific API OS results obtained and the sample retested, but without the original sample because the original sample was damaged. This is the observations and conclusion based upon the nature of the violation. The FDA strongly recommends engaging a consultant to assess their firm in meeting CGMP requirement. Thank you everyone for watching this video.